This advice on how to be more fuel efficient is brought to you by the Westbank Fuel Economy Tour in partnership with FNB. All cars are not equal. This is especially true when it comes to not only performance but also fuel efficiency. Although all motorists are not necessarily considering changing to more fuel-efficient cars, there are a number of things one can do to make your current car more fuel efficient. Make sure your car is serviced regularly and well lubricated with the best oil possible. And remove any unnecessary excess weight such as golf bags and other cargo when driving on a daily basis. It's a well-known fact that a clean car is more aerodynamic, so it is recommended to wash your car on a regular basis and be aware that driving with open windows creates more drag that will have a negative impact on consumption. This fuel efficiency tip was brought to you by the Westbank Fuel Economy Tour in partnership with FNB.